Here's some Mary Tudor reign trivia. Subscribe. Who was the sister of Elizabeth I? Is it A. Mary I, B. Jane Grey, C. Catherine of Aragon, or D. Anne Boleyn? The correct answer is A. Mary I. What was the nickname of Mary Tudor? Is it A. Silver Queen, B. Iron Lady, C. Bloody Mary, or D. Queen of Scots? The correct answer is C. Bloody Mary. Which religion did Mary I attempt to restore? Is it A. Catholicism, B. Anglicanism, C. Protestantism, or D. Islam? The correct answer is A. Catholicism. What year did Mary Tudor ascend to the throne? Is it A. 1553, B. 1541, C. 1527, or D. 1565? The correct answer is A. 1553. Which country was Philip II king of? Is it A. France, B. Italy, C. Spain, or D. Portugal? The correct answer is Siam. What was the outcome of Mary I's marriage? Is it A. Happy marriage, B. Strong alliance, C. Unpopular, or D. Successful union? The correct answer is C. Unpopular. What was the policy of persecution called during her reign? Is it A. The Great Terror, B. Marian persecution, C. Spanish Inquisition, or D. Witch hunts? The correct answer is B. Marian persecutions. Which rival queen did Mary execute? Is it A. Catherine of Aragon, B. Anne Boleyn, C. Elizabeth I, or D. Jane Grey? The correct answer is D. Jane Grey. What was one of Mary I's primary goals? Is it A. Economic reform, B. Religious tolerance, C. Political alliance, or D. Legitimacy of Catholicism? The correct answer is D. Legitimacy of Catholicism. What was one reason for Mary's unpopularity? Is it A. Economic prosperity, B. Harsh methods, C. Religious tolerance, or D. Charismatic leadership? The correct answer is B. Harsh methods. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.